a quick YouTube thumbnail for your home-based internet marketing, affiliate marketing, online marketing business. I'm in Canva. I have the Canva Pro. We're going to go here and we're going to look at designs that are available in Canva. Now, there are designs that are free that you could use, like this one right here. The designs without this pro feature are free designs that you can use. The one that I'm using right now, this one is a pro thumbnail template. So I started using this template. Now that you've seen me design a quick YouTube thumbnail in Canva, uploaded it to YouTube, what type of Canva videos would you like to see me create? Leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe for more cool Canva tips.